clogged gutters. Solved.
Go for this design right here. So you're gonna see a lot of those mesh gutter guards online and on TV. Those sound good in theory, but those little tiny mesh holes get clogged with the small debris that's coming off of your roof, where these have a little bit larger holes and allow that water to pass through and some of those smaller particles. So there is no perfect design for gutter guards, but this is the best design out of them all. And they run about $1.50 per linear foot, where some of those other mesh gutter guards that I was telling you about, they're running $20 to $40 per linear foot. They already have pre-drilled holes in the front, and then they also have holes for the back, so you're securing it on both ends. And I'm finding now that I'm installing these, my gutters are not loose, like hanging off, but they have some wiggle to them. Once I install these, it just makes them much more rigid. When I pull on this, it's stout, man, so it's making them a lot stronger than they were initially. When you hit these corners, you just follow the lines perfectly at a 45 degrees, so it makes the connections on the corners much easier. I'm not much of a salesman. I'm just recommending products that I'm using on my house that I've done a ton of research on, and I really do stand behind. So if a buddy comes to my house and he asks me what I'm installing and why, I'm gonna pitch it to him the same exact way. So I'm doing my best to relay all this information. So if you're interested in buying these, I have a link in my bio, and the company is called FlexPoint.